Hi, welcome back to TripleRBackyardGrillin. In today's video, we're going to be doing grilled chimichurri chicken. Let's get things started. Hi, we're back inside at the Triple R kitchen. As you can see, we have our ingredients for today, which we have our chicken, we have our cilantro, we have our parsley, red chili pepper flakes, our chopped up garlic, and our jalapenos, and our olive oil. And for the most important ingredients, don't forget, ice cold beer. Let's get things started. So what we're going to add is our red chili pepper flakes. We're going to add our garlic, our jalapenos, our parsley, our cilantro. Now we're going to add the olive oil. Definitely want to get that olive oil in there so we can get this ingredients mixed up. Now we're going about half a cup. So now we're just mixing it all together. Now we're going to add our salt. Give it another good mix. Now we're ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and pour this in our chicken and let it start marinating. Just flip it around. So now we have everything mixed. Guess what we'll end up doing? We'll let it marinate for about an hour, and while it's marinate, we'll go and get the fire going, and we'll get these out on the grill. We'll see you back. All right, guys, here we are. We pulled the chicken out of the refrigerator. They've been marinating for about maybe a little over an hour. So now we're gonna get them put on the grill and let them do its thing. See, I got my baskets on the side. So now I'm just going to grab the chicken. Things look good. I'm going to cook them on the opposite side of the heat. So now we're just going to go and close it up and just let it do its thing. Alright guys, here we are. We're just gonna check on the chicken. Looks like about ready. So we're going to take them off the grill. We checked the temperature. The temperature is about 170, 180. So get them off. So now since we're off, we'll take them inside and we'll get them plated up. Alright guys, here we are. We're back in the kitchen. Got everything off the grill. We got the chicken and we paired it up with some mixed vegetables. So now we're just going to give it a try and see what it comes out like. You can definitely taste the red chili pepper flakes, the parsley, and definitely the garlic. So tastes great. If you try this recipe, please let us know on the comments. Please subscribe down below, give us a thumbs up, and you know what? We'll see you next round.